Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new AULA 99 key keyboard. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Sweet. Never go wrong with too many gaming keyboards. Alright, so it's Bluetooth, Type-C, and wireless. So let's go ahead and take a look. It's got the Type-C cable right there. User manual. Alright, let's see it. Ooh, very nice. 99 keys. Very nice. USB. These right here. Very cool. You got your Type-C on and off right here. We'll go ahead and turn it on. It does look like it has some power on it. I'll hook it up to my iPad here. Alright guys, so let's actually look at the keyboard a little up close. So one of the cool things that I liked about it is that nostalgic yet functional color theme on it. Like, it is a 96% layout, which it does include the numeric keypad, which I'll show here in a second. Merging efficiency with the layout familiar to most of us. It's topped with that 3 creamy colored keycaps that not only make your desktop pop a bit, but also bring a vintage vibe to your office or gaming setup. Most reviews I know on keyboards, they do want to hear the keys, so I'll let you hear them. These aren't particularly louder keys like on most gaming keyboards, but here I'll go ahead and let you hear them. Alright guys, so that's how the keyboard actually sounds and works. The connection to the iPad was super easy. Like I said, Mac, Android, whether it's Windows, it'll work with all the platforms. And like I said, I just literally, it uses the FN keys to connect them. So you have the wireless right here, the 3 Bluetooths, and then the wired. So you can actually have up to 5 different devices hooked up all at once, and you can just control it all through here. And then the other thing that I wanted to show is this little knob. While it does just control the volume, it has game mode and then it has office mode. Under office mode, these 3 buttons can just be like play the next song, pause, and the next song or previous song. And then you can actually have this under game mode. So these 3 buttons right here are customizable. So you can have it to whatever advantage you would like in that game. So I thought that was actually like a really cool feature. And then the other cool thing was, if you go to their website, which I'll put right here, you can actually change the background. I think it's like 16 million different colors that you can set this to however you want. The one I showed was just red. I personally like the red, but I might change it, which I thought was a cool feature. So if you didn't like the red on here, like I said, you could just go to the website and download driver for it, and then it'll get whatever color you like. So another cool feature that you can customize on this keyboard. So whether you're gaming or working from home like me, I'll probably do very minimal gaming and more working from home. Definitely look into this gaming keyboard. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend, definitely a 10 out of 10.